Hi everyone, Ahojte! Today in Linguarte we are going to study the verb to like in Slovak language. We are also going to describe different ways to say what we like. If you like our videos and want to support our channel, make sure you click subscribe and turn on bell notifications. Also, check our website and follow us on our social media where you can see more interesting information about the Slovak language and our unique way to teach Slovak. Don't miss our courses. You can find a link in the description where you can download a document with these lessons and practices. Let's start! Začíname! In Slovak language, we use mainly three different structures for the verb to like. The difference among them is what structure it is used. The first of all is the form mať rád. We use this one before a noun. The verb mať is regular according to the person. There is, however, a change of the form rád when the person who likes is masculine rád, feminine rada, neutral rado, and plural radí. Mám rada, mám rád. Má rada, rado, rád. Máme radi, plural, male and female. Máme rady, plural, female. Then if I want to say I like, since I am a woman, I would say mám rada. Like I like reading, mám rada čítanie. But to say we like reading, we would say máme radi čítanie. The negative form is created by adding the particle nie before the verb, like the regular negative sentence. The second form is used if we want to put a verb after. In this case, we use the verb in present tense regularly, but in the middle we put the article rád if a male is speaking, rada if it's a woman, rado for neutral, and radí for plural. In my case, to say I like to eat, I say ja rada jem. As you can see, the verb is in the ja form, jem. Ja rada plus conjugated verb according to the person. To make this negative sentence, we add the particle nie before the particle rád, rada, radí. Ja nerád jem. My neradi jeme. Finally, there is a third way of expressing what we like. It is the structure páči sa. We use it always before a noun. The forms are páči sa mi, I like, páči sa ti, you like, páči sa jej, she likes, páči sa mu, he likes, páči sa mi, we like, páči sa vám, you like, páči sa im, they like. For example, we can say páči sa mi varenie, I like cooking. Páči sa jej čítanie, she likes reading. The negative form of the structure is formed just like the previous ones, adding the particle nie before the verb páči, then nepáči sa. I don't like to cook, cooking. Nepáči sa mi varenie. Nepáči sa jej čítanie. He doesn't like to read, he doesn't like reading. These three forms of expressing what we like can also be used in the past or future tense. In the past it would be mal som rád, rada, ja som rád, rada, jedol, jedla, páčil sa mi, páčila sa mi. In the future tense we would say budem mať rád, budem rád jesť, bude sa mi páčiť. Now is your time to practice. Try to say the following sentences in Slovak language. I like to eat chocolate. Remember, you can use the verb to eat, jesť, or the noun jedenie plus čokolády, chocolates. Mám rád, rada, jedenie čokolády. Ja rada jem čokolády. Páči sa mi jedenie čokolády. We like to travel abroad. The verb to travel is cestovať and abroad is do zahraničia. You can also use the noun cestovanie. Máme radi cestovanie do zahraničia. My radi cestujeme do zahraničia. Páči sa mi cestovanie do zahraničia. Amazing practice. We hope you liked the lessons. Keep practicing Slovak with other of our videos and write in the comments what other phrases you want to study. In the video description, you have a document with this lesson. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.